Hello, this is an introduction to the Empava-71AIS08 massage bathtub. This 71-inch premium freestanding bathtub is a perfect option for an open floor plan master bathroom. Now, let's open it up and have a closer look at the features. The Empava-71AIS08 massage bathtub is the perfect combination of style and practicality. It has a stain-proof white acrylic finish with polished chrome accessories. Engineered with premium materials, the clean and modern design complements almost any bathroom. With an internal length of 67 inches and a 76-gallon capacity, it has plenty of room for one person to stretch out, or if you want company, there's plenty of room for two people. It even comes with two removable neck pillows. Installation is easy because the Empava-71AIS08 comes with all accessories and components pre-installed. There are 8 massage jets spaced throughout the tub, designed to target sore areas in the feet, legs, and back. The jets can be powered on at the touch of a button. And the power can even be controlled by rotating the dial counterclockwise and clockwise. There are 3 ergonomically designed knobs for controlling the hot water, cold water, and the temperature level. The specialized showerhead has 3 soothing spray settings and a 59-inch extra long retractable stainless steel hose. The unique double wall design is designed to maintain your ideal temperature longer. And the extra wide rim is designed to accommodate the spray from a handheld showerhead without overflow. The Empava-71AIS08 is designed for durability. The acrylic tub is reinforced with fiberglass and a stainless steel frame, so it can accommodate up to 440 pounds. The powerful 0.75 horsepower pump is UL certified and comes with a 120-volt power cord pre-installed. Not to mention, it has a 3-year warranty. If you have any questions about this tub or any other Empava products, our friendly customer service team is always standing by and ready to help.